Today we are going to discuss about what is virtual data model. Okay, what is virtual data model and why this concept came into picture. Let's try to understand the virtual data model. The virtual data model has been made up with three words. If you understand the word, you will be able to understand the deep meaning and aspect of this virtual data model. Virtual means which really does not exist. That's the meaning of virtual. Data, the raw information. Model is nothing but the representation of data. Okay. Model is the representation of data. One which does not exist, one which does not exist is going to represent the data, right? One which does not exist is going to represent the raw data. That's the virtual data model. But this virtual data model concept with respect to CDS, this concept is here in the CDS. So we'll have to define with respect to CDS. Okay. We know that CDS is real. Core data services is the real object, right? So this virtual data model, whatever the virtual things is there in the world, everything is based on some real things. Okay. Everything is based on some real things. Whatever the virtual, okay. Whatever the virtual meeting, right? Means some actual meeting is there that has been converted on the Zoom or MS Team, right? Virtual memory, that one mechanism which is going to take the real memory and multiply multiple times using some mechanism, right? So some real thing should be there. Based upon that, the virtual comes into picture. What is that real artifact here? CDS is that real artifact. Okay. So we are going to arrange the CDS in such a way that it will become a data model which really does not exist, but we are going to put in such a way that with the help of annotation, so it will become a data model, and this data model will be known as the virtual data model. So it is basically CDS. We are going to put some annotation over there, and that CDS will become the virtual data model. Okay. So it is nothing but proxy for the CDS. Under VDM, CDS arranged and manipulated in a way so that CDS arranged and manipulated using annotation in a way so that it gives better representation of data and gain the best possible performance from system. Okay. So that's the virtual data model. This is one of the gold standard given by SAP, right? Why we are supposed to use this one? Because when we are using the virtual data model, it's very good for accessing the data. It's very good for reusability purpose. It is going to give you the better categorization. So whenever you want to use a CDS for a specific purpose, you can go and directly reuse that one. So using the virtual data model concept, reusability gets improved and modularization, these two important aspects of the virtual data model: reusability, modularization, and there is one more, performance. Okay. all these three is going to become very much effective. All these three is going to very much improved. These are the benefit of virtual data model. This is one of the gold standard given by SAP. That's why it is the gold standard. Okay, that's why it is the golden standard, because all these three things we are going to achieve over there. Just write here in the chat box: reusability, modularization, and the performance effectiveness. This is the reason why virtual data model here in the picture. Okay, this is the reason why the virtual data model here in the picture. Whenever we are developing a CDS, we must have to keep in mind about this gold standard, right? Embedded analytics in S4 HANA, transient provider, this we will see later, okay? What is the benefit of virtual data model? Just I have discussed: better representation, modularization, reusability, understandability, maintainability, performance. So only three things is important: modularization, reusability. I'm just going to put into uh, different color. If you remember these three things, that's sufficient. Okay, that's sufficient. Modularization, uh, reusability, and performance. Okay, all other things, better representation, understandability, and maintainability is the effect of, you know is the result of modularization, reusability, and performance. Okay, modularization, reusability, and performance, these are the basic things. Okay, these three things at least we should be able to tell to the interviewer if they are going to tell why virtual data model. If their question is why virtual data model, okay, why virtual data model, one of the hot concept in the current market, one of the hot concept in the current market. Okay, very hot concept in the current market. Everyone using the VDM. As a developer, we are also supposed to use the VDM concept.